Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, ha? Siyempre, narito na naman
Sweet
tayo
naman.
sa Spokes Hour.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome
Welcome
back
to
to
the
the podcast.
podcast.
We did a whole episode. You can watch it actually if you join playback.tv/Jim and Sab.
Yeah.
But we decided not to put it on the podcast because we've been doing a lot of news, and we're gonna do a short pod. And
Just
the
keep
reason
it stupid.
and what I want to talk about actually
What?
is what are the major warning signs while you are dating, while you're on Bumble. Parang what are the no-go talaga for sure?
So
And
red
the
flags.
red flags,
Deal breaker.
deal breakers. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this is I was just reminded because we talked about a congressman who posted OMG on a bikini photo.
Yeah.
So I would like to start with that.
Okay.
If you are on Bumble,
Mm-hmm.
the beauty of Instagram
Uh-huh.
and Facebook, check all their profiles.
Mm.
That is like, kasi here's the thing. Even if they have the most, even if they have the best reason possible. Let's say, what if pamangkin niya pala, pamangkin pala ni congressman tong girl na to.
Parang OMG.
G.
Tapos yung next is magsuot ka nga ng damit.
Oh, ganyan. Or something like that.
Toxic
And then,
pa rin.
kuwari nag-OMG, hindi, kuwari, in-interrogate siya ng wife niya. I don't know if he has a wife. Pero let's say, he'll say, hindi, nag-OMG ako kasi batang-bata yan eh. Tapos biglang tinawag ako sa hearing.
Nag-OMG ako, laki ng puwit eh.
Okay.
Honesty is the
Laki
best
ng peaches.
policy.
Grabe yung
laki
peach.
Laki ng peach emoji niya eh.
Perfect pitch.
Mali. Yeah.
Perfect pitch.
Sabi, okay.
So, obviously, if the person you are dating, peach perfect.
Peach
pala.
perfect.
If the person you are dating, okay, comments a squirt emoji on other people's page, or how do you find out if the person, kasi you told me something about this before, na parang if the guy, like, what if it's okay, what if the guy always likes bikini photos, kunwari? Is that fine?
Well, I guess it depends on what.
Like who, if it's his friends.
Or kung anong type mo. Siyempre, it's not like, for some girls, they don't care about that.
Yeah.
Some, it's like, well, I feel like you maybe like have a little variety and like, like other stuff.
True.
Because I'd be like parang konting culture and arts,
Is that what you're saying? Okay.
Pero of course, like,
depends sa type mo.
Hindi naman lahat gusto ng, gusto ng iba na, gets?
Yeah, and some people just really like, guys who are, are a certain profile na, like babes, cars, and guns, right? But this the same faction could say the same. Na parang, why do you like this guy who just likes music and movies?
Yeah, and also take into consideration that all of this can be very well curated. There are like psychopaths, sociopaths who will really curate it so that they look a certain way. They will not like a bikini pic because they are already thinking that people are checking these things out and being very deliberate in the stuff that they put on their feed and their likes and their tagged photos and all of that.
Okay, here, one thing. Since I think we can talk about it now. We have a friend. We have a friend who...
Dapat may mga meeting muna tayo.
Hindi. There's nothing wrong with this. We had a friend who met someone on Bumble, and that person, the first interaction that they had was our friend posted a bikini photo, right? And then the guy posted a squirt.
That monkey emoji.
A monkey emoji. So yun. And during that time, I told our friend, like, no. I was very adamant, and I think I was very judgmental. But correct me if I'm wrong. What do you think? What is our verdict na? Kasi
for me,
it turned out to be right, though. It turned out to be right.
Yeah.
He was actually a very incredible do-bag.
To me, Your Honor, para sa akin, if you're on Bumble to just flirt around and, parang you're very clear on like, hey, you wanna like, whatever, like, like, here's a whatever. And if that's your vibe na landian tayo, like, send me a monkey emoji. Oh my God. Like, that's fine.
Yeah.
But if you're out to, and also that bikini photo was prompted by him because she was asked what was she doing, and she said she's on a trip with blah blah, and then he said pics, something like that. So she's like, and it wasn't a very like parang she was very anyway.
Pero I get what you mean, Sabi. That's a good point. Na it depends on what you want.
Yeah.
So parang if you're looking for someone, so is it fair to say na if you're looking for someone to be in a stable relationship with and ganun siya na pics, monkey.
Parang I think that's on you na rin na parang ba't mo tinuloy?
Na
joke lang.
Ang tanong ko is why is it would we advise people na if ganun nga, if you're looking for someone under that guideline, I think I've been watching too many hearings. I think I'm becoming
may kaso na pong naka-file.
Under that guideline na you want to find the one. You want to find a person that you can depend on, be in a serious relationship
and
with.
That's on your Bumble profile?
No. You're in Bumble.
Kasi diba, I think nakalagay dun
I think so. So, you're saying na that's what you want.
Ayan. Merong feature naman sa Bumble na nakalagay what you're looking for. Looking for a relationship, something casual, don't know yet. And
do we know what our friend put there?
Of course, she put looking for a
relationship. So our friend, if you put looking for a relationship and someone does, hey, pics. Hey, can I see your pics? Iba naman kasi, can I see the ocean in, may tsura ng ocean dyan. May tsura ng bikini on top of an ocean. Diba? Parang,
wag kang sumama sa picture. Lagay mo lang yung bikini mo sa ocean. Gusto ko lumulutang lang siya.
Okay. So, what is our verdict?
That's so stupid if you ask for bikini pics. Send mo lang yung bikini pics.
That would be the best. That would be the best.
That's why nakalagay na gano'n. Picture mo. Bikini sa background.
Or you know what would be cool? Hanap ka ng dick pic. May genital warts.
No!
Send mo.
No. Send mo yung bikini pics. Tapos lagay mo parang, benta mo.
Or send ka na, hingi ka na, okay, send me, PayPal.
Here's my PayPal. Tapos block mo.
Or picture mo yung jebs mo.
Stop!
Why? Bakit?
Okay, that's too much. Okay.
Why? What's wrong with that?
We're not gonna go there.
Why?
Anyway, let's go for
Bakit? Ano masama doon?
I don't even want to
Why? What's wrong?
I don't want to talk about that stuff on the podcast because it gives people a visual.
Justice.
I don't want. It's gross.
Justice.
No, stop it.
So justice is gross?
No, it's not justice. I just don't want to talk about it on the podcast.
You're changing the world.
Oh my God! See, people are saying stop.
You're saving the world.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you are.
Just block.
Fair. At least you're educating him. Huh?
Okay, first of all, is it wrong to ask for pics?
That's
why. And
I
think he asked it. I can't remember all the details, but I think he was kind of a little smooth about asking it. Na parang it wasn't like pics. It wasn't like that. It was a very like pa-cute na medyo
maniac vibes.
Oh, parang horny. Parang I like kita. Medyo horny ako tonight.
Solid as a rock, me. Kailangan ko ng Under Armour.
Stop it. Okay. But I think this was like within the first 2 days that they interacted.
Yeah, that's why I think that's the general guideline. And if you put on Bumble looking for a relationship and the person does something like that, then I think it kind of says what this person is, right? Hindi ba?
I think so.
It's fair to judge.
I think so.
Kasi you don't know the person. And agad-agad, parang you could think it. He could, like, it's okay. You're attracted to this person. You really want to see this person in a bikini. That's fine.
Yeah, but
you don't have to say it. Or wait for the fucking 10th date.
Yeah, kasi parang it kind of shows impulsive behavior na parang you don't have control.
Wala siyang filter.
Parang
wala siyang yung socialization and honestly values.
And the guy was pretty parang older na. He's not like 20 and
gets ko
it's not going through puberty or something.
Gen Z na parang, oh my God, I don't know. Sorry. Like, I was in Ateneo my whole life or an all boys school. I'm sorry. I don't know how to interact with women. But if you're fucking 30 plus, this guy was 40 plus, diba?
No, hindi man 40 plus.
So, I think he was, sabi.
No, he was not.
He was.
No.
So anyway. Ano pang ultimate?
D says, abang na lang sa IG story dapat.
To our playbackers, ano pang mga, what are the major red flags on Bumble and on speed dating? Ikaw, can you think of anything else? How do you ask a person about their politics? Their political views?
I feel like that should be on your profile. I don't know.
You think?
I don't know. Yeah.
Kasi parang, hindi ba parang, right now ha?
Have you ever, in your past, na parang there was a flag that you ignored but you should have, syempre wala pang apps nung panahon natin. That makes us so fucking old.
Yeah.
But did you ever go out with someone na parang thinking back, shit, dapat pala, parang that was a sign. But of course, not hating on these people because we were very young back then.
Yeah.
Ikaw?
Marami.
Like what?
Like they're and I know this may seem mababaw, pero I guess it's dependent. It's based on me kasi and my preference. I need to connect with these people in certain levels. And kunwari, like movies, there were certain movies nga na sobrang gustong-gusto nila and I was like, anong pangit ito? Ganon. And I was like, and I think nung time na yun, I was like,
okay lang, gusto ko lang makita ng bikini pic.
And I was like, nung time na yun, I was like, ang ganon. Pero like, tinuloy ko. Yeah.
Okay. And I think hindi naman yun sobrang red flag.
Yeah. Hindi yun super red flag. But yeah.
For me, merong times na nice naman. It was pretty nice, but I said no because I think I don't know parang college na tayo, past college na at matanda na tayo, and then they're like, can I court you? And so for me, it's like, no, but thanks for asking. Because like for me, but for me, it's like, don't you want to be friends? Because why do you want to court me? For me, it's
you
like,
never talked before.
No, parang but not really. Like, hi, hello, ganon. So parang para sa akin, parang, wait, how do you know you want to court me? You don't even know me.
Gets.
So
but it's not, do you think that, I don't think that's a red flag in terms of
not a red flag, just preference ko lang.
Yeah.
It's like, no.
I think more of parang maybe he's courteous enough to...
Dalawa silang ganon.
Hayop. Courteous enough.
Dalawa silang ganon.
And I think
artista pareho.
Probably.
Dan Fernandez pangalan ng isa. Sabi sa akin, OMG, can I court you?
Well, siyempre, sa kinalakihan nila yun eh. It's like,
hindi ka naman sila inaano.
Oo nga. I'm saying, what I'm saying is like,
hindi naman masama. Sinasabi ko lang na for me and what I prefer, I want syempre an authentic connection first. Kasi for me, it looked like, hindi mo ako kilala, very, just how I look siguro, that's what makes you want to like, start.
Oh, kawawa ka naman. Oh, ang hirap talaga, no? Like, grabe talaga. They don't even want to know me. They don't want to know me. I'm so pretty kasi. Sobrang ganda ko. They don't even want to get to know me.
Yeah, like, don't you want to know me?
Ano ba to? Ano ba tong buhay na to?
Shut up! Shadow pa-cute eh. Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Anyway.
Okay.
Siguro,
oh my God, ako na-roast ako doon ha. Sorry
na-roast.
Sorry. My turn.
Siguro ganun yung ganyan yung problema ni Cassie Ong, no?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah! Bakit ginaganyan? Let's go.
Okay. Before we end, can we do you wanna do a reenactment of a hearing?
Okay, game. Of what?
Ako ako? Kasi, hindi.
Ako si Alice Go. Siya pa lang naman yung talagang napapanood ko. Hindi ko napapanood.
Hindi. Not an actual hearing. About the emoji red flags.
Okay.
Ano ako? Ako si...
You're the guy asking for a bikini pic game.
Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw si Senator.
Hindi.
Ah?
Ako yung questionin mo. Kasi nag-question ka, hinihingan mo ako ng ebidensya.
Okay.
Yes,
Gets.
okay.
Okay, game. Mr. Chair, yes. I'd like a few minutes with our esteemed guest. Okay. So, Miss Alice, yes, first of all, I'd like to thank you for joining this committee, and we really appreciate all your valiant efforts. Looking at my records here, you were at Boracay in the 5th of August. Is that correct, ma'am?
Hindi ko na po maalala.
Mr. Chair, I'd like it on record that Miss Go cannot remember if she was in Boracay. Miss Go, I would like to... We'd like to verify as a committee what is the truth behind this vacation. Just so that we can understand. Just so that we can interpolate. Right? So, Miss Go, let's make this question simple na lang. Mainit ba nung araw na yun, Miss Go?
Apo.
Mainit. Okay. So, Miss Go, when you're at a beach, ano usually ang because it's hot, di ba? What garments would you juxtapose on sunny days?
I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
Wala na. Ang hirap eh.
First of all, I'm not a witness. I'm a resource person. Labo. That was fun. I think you're enjoying this.
I'm enjoying it.
This should be your new Instagram persona.
I think so.
Just doing everything with a senator and Congress voice. Okay.
Thank you to the pod. Done with the pod. Again, you can join us at playback.tv/Jim and Sab.